Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In today's video, we will see what are methods in Java and what are its types. So first we will see what is a method in Java. So in Java, methods are a block of code that perform a specific task and can be executed when a method is called. And methods are defined within a class, inside the class, and can return values or perform actions without return anything. So in simple, what I say is method is a block of code that perform a specific task when a method is called. So suppose if you want to write the same statements multiple times, normally what you do, you write the same statements multiple times and try to execute it. But it may takes lots of lines and it also takes lots of time, right? So instead of that, if you write the a statement inside a method, and when you call that particular method, it executes that particular block. So the number of times you call that particular method, the number of times it executes that particular block of code. So it helps in reducing the number of lines and also helps in saving the time. So this is all about method. And when we talk about the types of methods, we'll be having the predefined methods and also we'll be having the user defined methods. So in today's video we will see what are predefined methods in Java. Predefined methods in Java are built-in methods that are provided by Java libraries. So here java.lang and java.util are the packages. And these predefined methods helps in performing common operations such as string manipulation, mathematical calculation, input and output operations and many more. So one such predefined methods can be seen in math class. So here math is a predefined class that belongs to java.lang package, and these math class methods are normally used for mathematical operations. So here you can see in math class we'll be having the predefined methods like max, which returns the maximum of two numbers, min, which returns the minimum of two numbers, square root, which returns the square root of a number, and we'll also be having power, which returns the power of a value, and so on. So let us try to make use of all these predefined methods that exist under the math class in the VS Code by taking an example. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, here class followed by predefined methods, where predefined methods is a class name. Okay. Now inside it we have taken main method, which is also a predefined method in Java, where the Java code execution actually starts with. So inside the main method, let us take two variables int a and store the value as 1 into a, and take another variable of type int b and store the value 2 into it. Okay. Now in order to perform math predefined methods on these two variables, what we need to do is let us try to print system.out.println. Now inside the parenthesis give math, which is a predefined class that belongs to java.lang package, dot followed by max, which is a predefined method, give a comma b. Now execute it, you can see output as 2 because 2 is the maximum value among 1 and 2, right? Now let us execute it. You can see the output as 2. Okay. Now similarly try to find the minimum value among a comma b. For that we need to make use of predefined method, that is math, which is a predefined class under the Java, dot min of a comma b. Okay. Now if you run it, you get the output as 1, which is the minimum value among 1 and 2. See, you got 1. The above 1 is, the above 2 is the maximum value among 1 and 2, and the below 1 is minimum value among 1 and 2. Now similarly system.out.println. So here math dot try to use square root, sqrt. So give 4 because square root of 4 will be giving the output as 2. Now execute it. See, you got the output as 2.0, which is in the double format. Okay. So square root of 4 is 2. Okay. Now similarly system.out.println use power predefined method, that is power of 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4 means 3 power 4, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 3 is the 9, 9 9 is the 81. So it gives you the output as 81. See, you got the output 81.0 in double format. So this is how normally we make use of predefined methods in Java. So these are the predefined methods: max, min, square root, power, that can be seen under the math predefined class. And next, talking about the string class. So string is a predefined class under the Java, and string class belongs to java.util package. So normally string class methods are used for string manipulations. So under the string class, we'll be having the predefined methods like length, which returns the length of the string, that is number of characters in a string, and caret of index, so it returns the character at a particular index. And next predefined method is substring inside the parenthesis start comma end. So it extracts the part of a string, and next to uppercase. So it converts the characters to a uppercase, to lowercase. So it converts all the characters into a lowercase, and index of char. So it returns the index of particular character you have provided, and replace of old comma new. So it replaces the characters in a string, which means it replaces the old characters with the new characters that you will be given. So this is all about string predefined methods that can be seen on the string predefined class. Now let us try to make use of all these methods by taking an example. Let us execute all this on VS Code. So as you can see on the screen, predefined methods is a class name, and inside the predefined methods, we have taken the main method where the execution of Java code actually starts. So inside the main method, let us take a variable of type string. Let the variable name be str, and in it store the value hello. Okay. Now hello is the string that I stored into a variable str, which is of type string. Okay. Now in order to perform, in order to make use of all those string class predefined methods, let us take one by one. So it first try to print length of string, that is str, which is a variable dot length. Okay. Now if you execute it, you can get the output as 5, because the number of characters here we have is 5. See, you got the output as 5, which is the number of characters in a string. Now similarly, if you want to print only the particular element at a particular position, suppose let us try to get the value e, which is present at index 0 1. At first index we will be having a e, right? So system.out.println str dot caret of 1. Okay. Now if you execute it, you can get the output as e. See, you got here output as e. So caret predefined method can be used in order to get particular element from a string. If you want to extract only ell from the string hello, we need to make use of predefined method, which is substring. So what we need to do is, so here you need to take str, which is a variable, dot substring, which is a predefined method. So inside the parenthesis, you need to give index. The e starts with index 1, right? 1 comma, and ends with, for e index will be 1, and for l index will be 2, and another l index will be 3. So here you need to take index ends with 4. Okay, because it gives you the 4 minus 1 up to 4 minus 1 element. Now if you execute it, you can get the ell. Okay, because e starts with index 1, and fourth index will be having the 0, but when you make use of substring method, it gives you 4 minus 1th index. Okay. And next, similarly, If you want to convert all these letters to uppercase, we need to make use of toUpper, which is a predefined method. That is str dot toUpper case. Okay, now execute it. See, you got the output all in upper cases. Right? Similarly, you can use to lowercase so that you can get all the characters in lowercase. See, you got all the characters in lowercase. So this is all about predefined methods that can exist under the string predefined class. So this is all about today, and I hope every one of you got some idea about method and what are predefined methods in Java. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.